Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am Rashid. Hope you are very well. Today I am talking about 6 visiting places in Port Blair. Let's start. Port Blair is the capital city of Andaman and Nicobar Island.
Number 1. Cellular Jail. Cellular Jail, which took 10 long years to build, was opened in 1906 by the British to house all those who opposed the British rule in India. This location was chosen for the jail as it is surrounded by water on all the sides, and the prisoners could not easily escape and get back to the mainland India. Moreover, the Iceland is far away from the mainland that the freedom fighters cannot even communicate with their supporters. The architecture of Cellular Jail had a central pillar to which 7 wings are connected, just like 7 spokes of a bicycle tire. Each wing is a 3-storied building which had several cells. Number 2. Rose Island. It is a very small destination that comes under the South Andaman district, Port Blair, and is barely 5 kilometers from the water sports complex. This island was first occupied in 1782 and a sanatorium was built there, and then again in 1857 by the British, who used it as the administrative headquarters for 85 years. The whole experience is even more mesmerizing with its protected forest, which is the sanctuary of a variety of birds and animals including peacocks and deer, that present an amazing experience for people who love to walk around and enjoy their time in the lap of nature under the shade of all tropical trees. Number 3. Phoenix Bay Jetty. Phoenix Bay Jetty. This place is near to Cellular Jail at Port Blair in Andaman Island. This is the main place to travel towards Vapor Island, North Bay and Rose Island. Transportation service available from morning. From this jetty place, one can see the Rose Island and North Bay Coral Island. These 3 places form the points of triangle for traveling in these 2 islands independently. Number 4. Forest Museum. Located on the outskirts of Port Blair, Forest Museum is a famous attraction for its wide collection related to forest and the assortment of trees. This prominent museum is a must-visit place in Port Blair, and it is managed by the Forest Department of Andaman and Nicobar Island. The major attractions that are set on display in the museum include the artifacts that are made from timber, gurjan, oak, satinwood, and parduk. This displays artifacts reflect the rich and dense flora found in the island. To add flavor for the tourist, the museum also incorporates a mini zoo and a small zoological garden inside the building. Number 5. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose Island. The Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose Island, popularly and formally known as Rose Island, is situated in the South Andamans. The island is just a few miles away from Port Blair and can be accessed by boat from Port Blair. The island is well organized with barricades, pathways, and proper signboards for directions. This charming little island gives you a feeling of nostalgia as you enter, and it takes you back in time. The island is sure to get its visitors spellbound by its incredible views, and work of nature on these abundant buildings is remarkable and is a pleasure to history and nature buffs. Do not miss a visit to quiet Iceland, as it is a different experience on the whole. Number 6. Chidiya Tapu Beach. Chidiya Tapu is one of the most famous tourist destinations in Andaman, and if you are on a trip on the island, do not forget to spend a few hours at this wonderful place. Chidiya Tapu is mainly popular for its wide range of birds and is a haven for bird watchers. Indigenous and migratory birds can be seen decorating the skies here, enticing nature lovers and wildlife enthusiasts visiting the place. This island in Andaman is also a diesel trove of thick forest and stunning views of the ocean. At almost every turn, the mesmerizing view of a thin green blanket and azure sea waters await you. A walk through the jungle will make you forget everything about your hectic lifestyle. That's all.